Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Seems like we're heading down lower here, and at the moment my view is and remains that we're going to see another low here, because Ethereum, as you know, if you've watched the previous videos, Ethereum has failed to create a low below the 12th of May low. That is ultimately still what I want to see, because I had a few questions, can the low be in? Of course, the low could be in of this overall correction, which started in the middle of April. Yeah, the low could be in. The low could have been made here on the 12th of May, but then it leaves all of this. Yeah, and this is just not a typical bottoming structure. It would only be possible basically in the orange wave count. I've just added that onto the chart now in full. So the orange count, it's not my primary, but in the best bullish case, we would have a wave 1 to the upside here to the 28th of May, which would be an ABC structure or WXY, a wave 2 to the downside to yesterday's low, and we would now be forming a 3-wave move to the upside, and a third wave, it would have to be a diagonal, and then the move of yesterday's low would be an A wave. We come down in a B wave now, but this is now extremely getting extremely challenged just now. And just find some support there at 1820, but below 1820 this will get even less likely. Yeah, but just be aware that B waves sometimes they can overshoot to the downside. No problem, they can do that. Yeah, it's just it would fit the market structure just to do more choppy here, choppy price action. But in a diagonal this would work. Yeah, this could be, but nothing at the moment gives me a strong indication it's doing that. And my primary count remains a move down into the roundabout 1660 area, yeah, around the golden ratio. Let's see if we get there. But you see what happens here, we're just in a choppy market environment, and the news and the emotions of the traders and investors, obviously, it's a bit of a roller coaster at the moment with the news around the SEC, and you know what happened out there. So 1820 remains fib support. Okay, so for a diagonal, ideally Ethereum is holding 1820. It's not a must, yeah, because in a diagonal you sometimes see those broken, especially in a B wave. Support is, and that's sort of been, it's been the message over the last few days and today as well. Support is around here, around the 1750 level again. It's the 50% fib level. And structural support, as you can see here, if we break below that, then it should send us down in the yellow wave count to 1660. And if price can turn around somewhere in this region here, break above today's high, no, it was yesterday's high, it could really be in this orange wave count. But then we just need to be watching that if we make new highs here and break above 1926, that's when I would really believe that we are in the orange count. The thing is, after the third wave, yeah, then we could also just have completed a larger ABC. But if we get this fourth and the fifth wave, then we have some really good signals that a bottom has probably been made. And then we get the next setup. We can calculate support as an ABC structure, which comes after. But, this is a story that's just been written, or just being written, still has to be written. So at the moment, we just have to be focused on this support area here, and it looks to me corrective on the way down at the moment, so could really be this B wave, maybe as a WXY structure, just like what Bitcoin is doing. But again, that is micro counting, so it could be here a wave W, X, and the Y wave to the downside in a B wave. But again, ideally we hold this level. If not, micro support is 1797, and then it's this 1750 area, 1760. There's not one clear level, because as you can see, it's a bit dynamic down there, but there is literally not much to add. So at the moment, there's nothing in this chart that would make me deviate from my primary expectation of another low. If things change, I will let you know. Things can change quickly in the current range. As you know, we are in a correction, so be aware there's a lot of headwinds, and this correction has taken a long time now. It's taken a long time, really long time. So waiting for better times, for impulsive times. But yeah, hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.